Today's 2 Minutes of Science is all about continuing our efforts to see how many experiments we can do with our simple rubber band powered vehicle. Last time we tried to see if it would work as a helicopter, and even though we got it to turn and spin, it never did fly very far. Today we want to look at to see how it functions as a hovercraft, with the blade turning in a different direction to give lift. Instead of trying to drag it up in the air, it's trying to push it in the air. In our first attempts, we encountered a few problems with getting the height right so that it wouldn't run into things. But we finally got that resolved and got the propeller turning, but even after that, it still wouldn't fly. Maybe the weight was too great, so we'll see what else we can do. If weight is the problem, then we can look at creating a hovercraft using a paper plate and putting our rubber band power through that. Now we have to find a paper plate that's just the right size so that the blade will still turn and not run into things, but still provide a strong way to hold the rubber band power portion in place so that it'll work. A little super glue in the right places and we've got ourselves a hovercraft. Now the hovercraft isn't going to work very well if we can't get air into the inside, so we'll cut a couple of holes here to make sure that we don't get too much difficulty in pushing the air down. Then after a little bit of winding, we'll see how it works. Notice the spinning, just because of the torque action from the thing. That's why helicopters have either counter-rotating blades or a tail rotor. But we're still learning from our simple rubber band powered experiment.